Hey Spokane, Grant Falco, the fourth generation owner of Falcos. You know, over the years, we haven't been afraid to change, and I'm excited to announce that we are now a full-blown Mitsubishi zonal heating and cooling dealer. We think this is the future. We believe electric heat pump technology being utilized in a number of different ways, even on ducted systems, is the best way to go. For years we have zonally heated homes and we have enjoyed every second of it, but truth be told, there is a fight. There is a challenge to the natural gas fuel source that we all rely on. With us taking on Mitsubishi, this does not mean we will not be selling and supporting natural gas fireplaces, in new construction and existing homes. Who knows what the future holds, but we decided that it was the right thing to do to be a zonal heating and cooling expert. The month of August, we're going to do something special, and you can click the link below. If you sign up for a no obligation in-home estimate during the month of August, you will be entered to win a Traeger grill. If you choose us and you get it installed in the month of August or the month of September, you will get a free Traeger grill. Click the link in the bio for more details. We are so excited to share what Mitsubishi is going to do for the Spokane community.